So as I was asking in the last class that do you have any doubt in this part, you can ask me now. No, nobody is raising hand. Okay. At 10:30 I have a meeting, okay, with principal. So kindly remind me at 10:25. Around 10:25 we will try to finish our this class. Okay, by that time inshallah I hope this derivation will be over. Acha. So as I showed you, we got our total pressure on the wall as m L cube into n U square bar, right? Okay. Now, if you see, we till now we have considered the velocity along x-axis only, but this will have a velocity along z and y-axis also, right? So along x-axis we have considered the velocity to be u. Let us consider the velocity along y-axis to be v, and along z-axis let us consider it is w, u v w. Okay. Okay. So now what will be the কি বলে জানি এটা? If I consider all the velocity, now let the molecules are in motion along any direction, okay, instead of only along x-axis, right? It will have a velocity in all the direction. Now let us consider one molecule whose velocity along any direction is c, along any direction, okay, is c. Current along x, y and z axis are respectively u, v and w. This one actually you can understand from the given figure 10.8. If you look at figure 10.8, the velocity is c. Now if I tell you to find out the component of it, that means if you remember resolving into components, okay, the resolving into components we did till now for two axes, right, x and y. Now there are three axes, so there will be three components, and three components are u, v and w. So from that point of view we can write c square is equal to u square plus v square plus w square. This one is also understandable from the given figure also. Okay, if anybody of you do not understand how this one came, okay, using the Pythagoras theorem actually we can find it out. So if anybody faces any kind of difficulty later, I can show you. Okay. Acha. So kindly do let me know if you think about it. Okay, I will not ask you to tell me now because I want you to think about it first. Relate it. Try to relate it with figure 10.8. This one has been written from figure 10.8. So try to relate it. Think about it. Then, inshallah, if you have any problem in next class, inshallah, we will talk about it. Okay. But before that, please do give it a thought. Okay. Then it will be easier for you to understand when I explain. Okay. Acha. So c square is equal to u square plus v square plus w square. Okay. Now the body is having motion in all the direction, right? Okay, x, y, z. So if I take the mean now, then I have to give the mean sign above all, right? Mean velocity in all the direction will give the mean total velocity. Acha. Now we can consider they all are equal to each other. Okay, there is no actually particular reason to consider that the velocity will be higher in x direction or the velocity will be higher in y direction. As it is moving independently in all direction, we can just assume that okay, the velocity, the component will be equal in all direction. If I consider this one, then what will happen? This equation will become u square bar plus u square bar plus u square. I can write it. Then c square bar is equal to 3 u square bar. So then 3, if I change the side, it will be c square bar divided by 3 is equal to u square bar. Okay. So now we will replace the value here. U square bar, I will replace the value here. Then what will happen? It will become m by L cube n into c square by 3. C square divided by c square bar divided by 3. Okay. Acha, we can also do one thing, this L cube. L cube is volume, right? So we can replace it by V. Okay.
You can raise.
কোথায় এখানে? ওই যে এখানে বললাম যে u স্কয়ার v স্কয়ার w স্কয়ার সবগুলা সেম। তো তাইলে v স্কয়ারের বদলে আমি u বসাতে পারি। আচ্ছা। w এর বদলে u বসাতে পারি। This is just to simplify the calculation actually. We are assuming. Okay. আচ্ছা। Acha. From this equation, what we can write? V is divided here. So if I cross multiply, it will become PV. PV, and this, the rest part, I can write it as 1/3 Mn C square. This is one of the main equations that you need to memorize. Okay, that you need to keep it in your mind. So I told you that I will box or circle the equation that you need to keep it in your mind. Okay, so these are one of the major equations that you are going to use in while solving the numerical problems. Okay, so keep it in your mind. PV equal to 1/3 Mnc square. So you need to know what all these letters mean. P is the pressure, V is the volume, and M is the mass of one molecule. Mass of one molecule, remember. And N is the number of molecule. And C square bar, it is the root mean square. Mean square velocity. Okay. Achha. Then from here, what we can write?
CK. C.
Mean square velocity. Achha. If you remember, we considered the molecule of mass of one molecule is m. So n number of molecules are there. So total mass will be n into m. This one equal to, we consider the total mass capital M, right? So as you can see, we have mn here. So we can just replace it 1/3 m into n will be replaced by capital N C square bar. Okay. So this is also another equation that you will be using in the numerical problems. Okay. After that, okay, we will come back to this equation. Okay, I will write again PV equal to 1/3 M N C square bar. Now actually we will be giving different faces to the same equation. Okay, এই same equation টারই different form দেখাবো আমি তোমাকে। এখন v টাকে যদি আবার আমি ওদিকে নিচে নিয়ে যাই, তাহলে p will be equal to 1/3 m by v. v টাকে আমি m এর নিচে লিখছি, সেটার একটা স্পেশাল রিজন আছে, I will tell you. Now mass by volume. Can anybody tell me what is mass by volume? What is mass by volume?
Pressure.
Density.
Sorry. Yeah, density. Total mass divided by volume. Total mass divided by volume, that is the density. So it will be 1/3 will be replaced by rho C square bar. Okay, so this is another important equation. P is equal to 1/3 rho C square. Okay, we will be choosing the equations depending on the given information and what we have been asked to find out. Okay, depending on that, we will be choosing the equation which one to use. Okay, total mass by volume, that will be the actually density. Okay, P is equal to 1/3 rho C square. Clear till now? Raise your hand if you have doubt. No, I guess. Okay. Later, PV is equal to 1/3 MnC square bar. Okay. From here, what we have written is 2/3. 2/3 then half. Oh, acha, okay, yes. Now, if you notice, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, and 1/3 will be there only. Okay, so we have not make any change actually. Okay. Now Mn, this is the total mass, right? Does this tell you something?
Half MC square.
C is the velocity.
MV square.
Half
Kinetic
mv
energy.
square, kinetic energy. 2/3 into energy. So this is the relationship with PV. Okay, so PV is equal to 2/3 PV, pressure into volume.
Plus.
So this is another important equation. Okay, the relationship between pressure, volume, and energy. Okay, from here actually they have written one more equation, P is equal to 2 by 3. See the V, it has come to the denominator. So what you can see is actually we are giving the different phase to the same equation, okay, just to use in numerical problems. The rest part are easy, okay. Okay, so from here we already saw the ideal gas equation, right? PV is equal to nRT. This was the ideal gas equation, okay. Now if you're considering for 1 mole gas, for 1 mole the value of n will be equal 1, right? And the value of n will be 1. So 1 into RT will be RT only. Now PV equal to what we got, 2 by 3 into E. So instead of PV I will write 2 by 3 into E is equal to RT. I can write it, right? So then E is equal to what I can write, 3 is in the denominator, it will come in the numerator here, and the numerator 1 will come in the denominator. So E is equal to 2 by 3 RT, another important equation. Okay. So at T Kelvin temperature, the kinetic energy of each mole of gas 3 by 2. Right? हाँ बोलो.
স্যার আবার একটু রিপিট করবেন এটা?
হ্যাঁ, কোন পার্টটা? এই পার্টটা
ও
শুধু
PV জি 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 এটা একটু রিপিট করুন।
nRT ছিল, তাই না? Our ideal gas equation was PV equal to nRT. But if I consider for 1 mole gas, n is the number of mole, right? So if I considering 1 mole gas, then n is equal to 1. Okay? So n এর বদলে আমরা যদি 1 বসাই, 1 into RT is equal to RT only, right? Then PV equal to, a little bit ago we got PV is equal to 2 by 3 into E. That is the equation number 10.20. 10.20 equation. PV is equal to, we got 2 by 3 into E, so I replaced it here. So 2 by 3 is equal to RT. Then I change the side of this 2 by 3. 3 is in the denominator, so it will come in the numerator. 2 is in the numerator.
জি 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 স্যার বুঝছি।
Okay, so this is it. So at T Kelvin temperature, the kinetic energy of each mole of gas is 3 by 2 RT. Yes, for each mole means for 1 mole. For 1 mole, this is the kinetic energy. For another mole, another of this kinetic energy will be added. Okay. Acha. So the total kinetic energy for n mole of gas. If this is for 1 mole of gas, then for n mole of gas, I have to multiply n, right? 3 by 2 n. Okay.
Set time.
Time. It is the time for the meeting. 10:22. Oh, we have couple of more minutes. So this is okay. Oh, they have replaced this n equal to capital M, sorry, small m by capital M. This is what we discussed yesterday. N is equal to m by m. This is the mass of the gas, and this is molecular mass. Okay, so we can replace it here. Then we have again for 1 mole of gas we have PV is equal to RT, and then again PV is equal to 1/3 mNc square. Okay, so from here what we can write? Okay, both of them are equal to PV, so they are equal to each other. Okay, so 1/3 mNc square bar is equal to RT. From here they are trying to find out the value of C square bar. So C square bar will be equal to 3 taken in each, so it will be multiplied with 3 RT, and Mn, it will come in the denominator, 3 RT by Mn. So from here, this is the mean square velocity, right? So if I try to find the root mean square velocity, all I have to do is just put a root over. See, root mean square velocity. Root mean square velocity. is equal to root over of 3RT divided by
সে রুট স্কয়ার চাপে কেন?
না এটা ওইভাবে না, এটা ডিফারেন্স আছে। যদি এরকম হইতো যে মিন নিয়ে তারপরে স্কয়ার করে তুমি রুট ওভার করছো না, তাহলে স্কয়ার রুট ওভার কাটাকাটি যেত। এখানে কিন্তু স্কয়ারটা ভিতরে, তারপরে মিন নিয়ে তারপরে তুমি রুট ওভার করছো, তো এখানে স্কয়ার আর রুট ওভার কাটাকাটি যাবে না। আচ্ছা, এইখানে এই mn এটাকে আমরা ক্যাপিটাল M দিয়ে রিপ্লেস করতে পারি বিকজ দ্যাট রিপ্রেজেন্টস দ্য টোটাল মাস। Okay, so 3RT by M, this is another important equation. From here, if you notice 3Rm, they are constant, right? 3 is a constant, R is universal gas constant, and molecular mass of a constant. This is constant, right? This cannot be changed. So what I can write?
স্কয়ার
Root mean square velocity is root over proportional to the square root of the temperature, absolute value of temperature. Okay, this is what, this is sometimes written as CRMS, that means root mean square velocity. C means velocity, so root mean square velocity. Okay, this is sometimes written as like this, is proportional to the root over of the absolute value of the temperature. Yeah, I think we are done. Okay, so there are some couple of more equations that are written from 10.24 to 10.27. I would like to request you to go through these equations and let me know if you have any doubt in the next class. Okay,
এক্সট্রা
আচ্ছা।
চাপ নেই
on Sunday.
বাট ইনস্টেড অফ টার্মস
Eh?
বেস চ্যাপ্টার টার্মস
Yeah, okay, no problem. Sunday we are supposed to discuss about wave doubt, so we will talk about that. But before that, kindly go through this also. Okay, it's better if you don't have any class now, or there is recess, just couple of minutes it will take to go through 3 or 4 more equations. Okay, so do it now, later you might forget. Acha, before ending the class, do you have any more doubt up to what we have studied? Nobody raising hand. The derivation is much easier one, lengthy one, I agree, but easier one. Okay, so thank you very much for joining. Assalamu alaikum.